I'm a lot of clients, either like emergency contacts or the first contact that they would reach out to if they have questions or need help or something like that. And I can't imagine if I wasn't there for my 20 some clients that I have, what they would do or who they would go to or what decisions they would make, not knowing or having a resource to ask, even for like advice or help. When there's an emergency or something, like I've been out to, like my client that is in the domestically violent relationship, I've been out to pick her up and get her set up with Waypoint 3 or 4 times. But because I'm that contact, if I weren't there or didn't answer, then I would be worried what would have happened, or it would probably incline her to stay more or longer. So being able to pick her up, and then when she was in the hospital for the same thing, I was able to go in as a professional helper and sit with her and just support her and know that somebody was there for her. And I sat with her in the hospital for a few hours when she woke up, but stuff like that. I also had a client that had severe anxiety and called the office, and she couldn't breathe, and so she was just making out like sounds, but I knew it was her. So I drove to her apartment right away, and she didn't answer, so I was able to call the ambulance, and they all came, and she had to be rushed to the hospital. So knowing that they trust me enough to call me and like share that stuff about their life, and feeling safe that they can share it, is a huge benefit, I think, for what we can provide too.